Hello, my luxurious and gorgeous flowers. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to create this easy and simple arrangement using Trader Joe's flowers. So let's get started. Hey, my luxurious, elegant flowers. It's me, Nia, with Xquisite Floral Design and Events. Ignore me talking in this video because, oh my gosh, it wasn't making any kind of sense. I needed to do a voiceover. So anyway, I'm showing you here where I put in chicken wire, which I purchased the wrong type. I was too lazy to go to a large hardware store to get the wire that I needed. So I just grabbed some cheap wire that was horrible to work with, but I suggest that you use regular chicken wire because in a second you're going to see me with this eucalyptus trying to put it in this stupid supposedly chicken wire and it wouldn't work. I had to go and double it, so I had to put some on one side and put some at the bottom in order for it to work correctly, because normally what I would have done was taken the chicken wire and like crumble it up, but this was really hard and stiff and it just didn't work really well. So anyway, I'm going to first start with my greenery to kind of make the form that I'm going to go with. And since this is an abstract arrangement, I'm going to have one side going up high and then I'm going to have the second side going down low. So what I love about greenery that is like a branch, it gives you the form that you're kind of looking for. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm trying to create that. And remind you, this is materials that I purchased from Trader Joe. So I spent about $20 on flowers from Trader Joe's. I got the most gorgeous peonies from there. You're going to see them in a second. They are so pretty. Okay, so now if you look at it from what I was looking at, we got our abstract look going on. Yay! So now I'm going to come in with these gorgeous peonies. Look at them. They are so pretty. I didn't like the fact that there was one pink one in there, so I didn't use that. But, oh, they bloomed so pretty. They last me a good about 2 or 3 weeks. I was so surprised at that. So I'm going to put my super large one. That's going to be the focal point of this gorgeous arrangement. And now, when I was making this, I should have put that more towards the bottom, but I wasn't thinking. I just love how big and beautiful those were. I used those as 2 of my main focal points. I should have used that one right there to go high, but I didn't. Oh well, I kind of tried to open it up and bloom it a little bit more. But hey, you live and you learn. After I finished this, I changed it around. And then I forgot to take a picture to show you exactly how it came out. But hey, this came out okay. It's not like I fell in love with it, but people liked it. But, you know, it is what it is. See, I should use that one. That one, because we want to, make it not look top heavy. So what I was noticing when I was trying to figure out, like, what's wrong with this? It looked too top heavy, and I needed to bring like that large peony down and bring the smaller arrangements up. But oh well. So see how it still is pretty. I'm not gonna lie, it's still very pretty, but I would have really wish I would have kind of did the opposite. But I guess when you're an artist, you're sensitive about your stuff. So here are some roses that I got from Trader Joe's. They were so pretty also. I let them sit, like I said, for a few days so my peonies could bloom. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of cluster these in a certain area to kind of give it a look. And I just clustered these kind of like to one side. Now look how pretty that is. Yay! Now I'm going to go on the other side and kind of, oops, flowers. Now I'm going to go in on the other side and kind of fill in my flowers. And so I'm just going to put the roses in spots that I feel like, oh, it needed, because like I'm clustering everything low on one side and then everything high on the other. Now I'm coming in with these like lime green or kind of greenish carnations, mini carnations. This is what's going to give me that wispy look. And I'm going to place those high and then low. Belle of Ireland, and that's gonna also give me that wispy, flowy look that I'm going for, like everything is kind of growing. And I'm just gonna place those again high and low. Now I'm just kind of going through it and trying to see what is the best, where do I need to make some arrangements, some different, where something doesn't fit, where does it not look right. And I'm basically just gonna go through, tuck, and it's just all in your eye. How do you like something? That's just basically it. Now I'm gonna go back through some of the holes that I see, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of eucalyptus that I had from a tree that I cut outside. I just needed a little bit more because I felt like I had too many hollow spots, and I did not want to go back with any more flowers. I felt like it had enough of flowers in it. It just needed a little bit of this in it, of this eucalyptus in it. think it's pretty good. It looks nice. So I want you to do me two things. I want you to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.
Hehehe